Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, how do we access elements of an array in Java? Let me answer. In array, in order to access the elements, we have to use the index of the element, okay? Array elements start with the index 0. So if you want to access the first element, we have to use index 0. Array name in the square bracket, we have to provide the index. That is 0 means first element. If you give 3 means this will access the fourth element. Okay. AR of 3 will access. In this example, AR of 3 is provided, which will access the fourth element. Okay. If you want to access the fourth element of the array, we have to use the index 3. If you use the index 0 here, it will access the first element. Okay. So using the index of the element, we can access the array elements. Okay. Let me practically demonstrate this one for you. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE and create a new class. I'll just name this as 4 with main method. And here I'll create an array, integer array, AR is equal to, here you can create the array in different ways, like a new, or otherwise you can provide curly braces for the shortcut representation of the array. I'll give some values 9, 5, 7, 6, 8, 2, 4. I think this much is enough. Okay. So I've created an array using the shortcut representation. Now, if I want to access these elements of the array, okay, we have to use the index value. Okay, using the index value of these array elements, we have to access the array elements, guys. If I say system.out.println AR of 5, sixth element of the array will be printed. Okay, 5 plus 1. Index will start with 0. This is the fifth index, means sixth element. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means number 2 will be retrieved and printed. In arrays, if you want to access the array elements, you have to use the index value of the array element. You see, using the index value 5, we were able to retrieve the array element 2 and print in the output console. So this is an example, guys. Like that, if you want to access the first element of the array, you have to give AR of 0. So 9 will be retrieved and printed. System.out.println AR of 1. This will retrieve and print 5. System.out.println AR of 2. This will retrieve the third element, AR of 3. 6. System.out.println AR of 4. Fifth element, system.out.println AR of 5. Then finally, system.out.println AR of 6. Okay, this will retrieve 9, this will retrieve 5, then 7, then 6, then 8, then 2, then 4. Run the code, right click run as Java application, and you will see that 957 6824 will be retrieved and printed. So hope guys, you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.